Hello there. So today we're going to walk you through creating the NGINX proxy using the EC2 server and the NGINX Proxy Automation on the EC2. So let's do that. Just come over here or Alt S, EC2, enter. I'm going to fire up a new server, instance, launch instance. Let's get the Ubuntu. Let's get this free tire, review and launch. We just need to set up the group settings here and add HTTP and HTTPS for this instance. And that's launch. Let's use this key. You need to have a key or create a new one so you can have access to your server. And let's view instance. So this is the one. It's still pending, but let's get to connect to it using our key. So let's come to our bash and let's connect to the server. And let's see how it goes. It's up already. Okay, so we have a fresh installation of an instance on EC2. So let's come back to the browser, give a refresh here to see that it's already running, this instance. And let's install the NGINX proxy. But to do that, we're going to use this handy scripts here, use the server in order to make our life easier to install Docker and everything else. So let's just clone this repo to our home folder. So this is the server. As I explained in the last video, we're gonna just install this aliases, which has a file here to load the aliases. We can just log out and log in again, and it's gonna be already loaded. So there's also the install folder, which has the Docker. And let's install the Docker. What does it do? I have explained in the last video, but if you don't get it, this installation script will get the bash script from the Docker itself. It's going to install the Docker compose and the command completion. Okay, so normally it doesn't take much. And after that, we're going to install the NGINX proxy, which is this one. We're going to only update the email and the home folder for your proxy data, your proxy information. So let's see how it goes here. Okay, so it's finished. You see, we have a permission denied. Let's just log out and log in again. And let's see if we have access. Yeah, so we do. So now we have Docker installed. Let's install the NGINX proxy. And let's just update the information I mentioned to you previously. Let's put an email here, John Doe. And let's skip the home folder, the proxy folder at our home. So let's do that. Let's see how it goes. This normally it's really quick. Just downloads everything. For now, we have configured this domain to respond to our page. Okay, I have reduced here the font a little bit so we can see a little bit better the images running. If we just do Docker PS, it's kind of polluted, so I have this small aliases here which just come the information a little bit cleaner. So if we come to the browser, we see that this domain, it's been replied by the Docker that we are running in AWS. So let's try with let's go to our home. We have settled the server folder here, and inside the server folder there's a proxy, and inside of proxy we have the compose folder, which has the NGINX Proxy Automation that we have cloned. This is the repository that we have cloned inside of the compose folder, and the data folder, which holds the information that NGINX proxy uses. So let's come to the compose folder bin, and we have here the test for our site. So let's try that. It will start in Apache Alpine for our domain. So let's refresh the page, and you see it works, but once again doesn't have SSL. So how we do that? Let's do that, and let's just stop here. There's a stop script, and let's start now with SSL. AWS booty.com.br, and right now this this Let's Encrypt container will fire up a new certificate for our. It already generate the new certificate. So let's come back over here and refresh the page, and we should get an SSL for our site. Okay, so this is it for our Amazon NGINX Proxy integration. Thank you.